Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we are unboxing Huawei Watch GT3 today. So the size is 46 mm and we have just removed the outer cover, so we'll unbox it now. Okay, so here it is, and this is black color. It supports wireless charging as well. And we bought Samsung also before. If you've seen in our videos that we have shown a few Samsung devices, Samsung watches. So why Huawei? Only because of the battery backup. So because it has a better battery life. You can like go with one charge for around 14 days. So this is the charger. So here it is with AMOLED display, 1.43 inches size, and there's no card slot. The internal memory is 4 GB and 32 MB RAM, but still for a watch it's really good and it's fast. So we're trying to turn it on now and let's see how it looks, but of course you have to do the setup first and this might take some time. It has a loudspeaker as well, so you can use it for calling or other purposes. And the look is really nice, so you can use the QR code to even pair it. And the stainless steel body, so this is stainless steel black, really smooth. And yeah, like overall if you look at it, you really like the watch with all these qualities here. The strap as well, it's really soft, comfortable, because silicone straps can be a bit challenging sometimes if the quality is not good, especially if you are in dry, hot places. So overall it is really nice. Now we'll try to pair it quickly with a phone and then we'll show you how it works. So the setup is over and it's ready to use. This is the watch face that is used by Huawei in their ads also, and then here are the settings and other things that you can see. Here are all the inbuilt or which already come with this, and you can add more apps if you want. And it has many watch faces. Now we can have a look at this. So it can monitor your sleep, like many more devices. And then they have several sport modes also, breathing exercise, and then your so this is gonna check your BPM and other things related to health. So this is how it is. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.